That's the normal one. Lace
You got your robe. Why don't you give me? Come on. Let's go give me.
I'll shut this door in a minute. Alright?
So the parts I ordered from this company for the jets, some people criticise me saying jet system. It's just me. I used to swear by Zanussi back in the day. So I still call it jet system, but yeah, whatever you want to call it, circulation system. At the end of the day, it's circulating the water. I was at my parents yesterday. Forgot to pick up my dishwasher pump, which I used to use on the previous one, and Hoover point I made, and my industrial top loader. It was high pressure. I'm going to put three. Basically, I'm going to put tap and drill 3 portholes in the toppers tomorrow. I mean, this drum will have to be replaced when it next fails. So the parts that I ordered from that company I mentioned on a previous video, they turned out to be legit, but it's going to be a month for the 2 vent hoses that I bought. So I'm going to, I've ordered them, I managed to get on eBay for half the price, and it's being delivered. They arrive between Monday and Tuesday, which is not next day like Amazon Prime, but still better than a month. I'd be surprised if this drum lasts a month for how frequent it's on. I mean, time will tell. But yeah, so I'll do that next week, and hopefully I'll fit a better pump, because it's going to have 3 sprays at the top. I'm not sure how I'm going to align them at the moment. I'll have one dedicated to the front of the tub at the top. I don't know whether to do a centre